Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Fossils and Archaeology. As you can see, it's our first episode of rain, and it's very loud. So, before I show you what we've been doing, I've done some mining and trading with our new friend you'll meet soon. So, I'll get that on the way. I got a lot of iron. And I've got enough obsidian to make a nether portal. I also found a T-Rex leg bone, so let's see if we get another T-Rex. No. It's fine. I've also been making tons of plants. I got another Titanus. I got another Smilodon. I got a Dodo. Very happy about. But in today's episode, I thought we'd make some quaggas. We'll just get rid of this water. More than enough materials. So yeah, for today we'd make the quaggas. Because I've been talking about making them for ages now. Bring our first extinct mammal back. Sadly we've got nothing from the tar fossils. Diplocalus. Oh, Diplocalus. Put that there. See, another thing I'd like to mention. The Meganura keeps despawning. So I think we're just gonna leave Meganura. For now at least. And I think I'm gonna turn that into the Compy habitat. Just cause, you know, Compy would probably fit well in there. Nothing else really fits that bit. Obviously these two could, but, you know. Another parasaur. That's pretty good. We can have a quite big herd of those actually. There goes my boots. Well yeah, I've been doing a lot of enchanting. I got a prop 4, unbreaking 3, thorns 2, chestplate. I got a really good pickaxe, unbreaking 3, efficiency 4. Shovel's alright. They have been also processing all this extra dirt and sand. I got a I don't know how to say it, Dominican amber from the, what do you call those fossils? The ones you get the tablets from, pretty much. But yeah, to make the mammals in this, we need a cow or something to put the embryo in. I made a vase, by the way. I'll just see this. Only unbreaking, sadly. Oh no. Here we go again. You know, I'm even fine with just making one of these. To be honest. Let me have a look. Boom. Just realised yet again I've forgotten to turn this to not peaceful mode. My bad. Let's check this. Hinodus, another Diplocalus. Hinodus is like a big turtle, so Actually, no, it's not a big turtle, it's normal sized turtle. You know. Only 18 fossils left. But yeah, I'm able to ride the dinosaurs now, like the big ones, with the whip. Doesn't hurt them, by the way. Maybe if I sleep, the rain goes away. That silly bird. I think I made another ammonite too. The coelacanth is huge now, by the way. Another Confusosaurus and the Pachycephalosaurus. That's pretty good. Well, not for my ears, but hey ho. I actually make. Oh, Ichthyosaur. I think that's our first proper extinct quagga that doesn't look like something else. I don't know when we'd be making that, so we'll put at the end. These two, they can really get made at any time, because we've already made them. There we go, first quagga. Starman. That's a good song, Starman. Most people have heard of that. I'm not singing it. You're not ready for that. I need to order a cow. To this new habitat I made for the quagga. Mr. Cow, quickly. Follow me. Good cow. You're the most important cow right now. No, we wait. I may actually block the waterfall off. Just in case it can drown or swim up. You can have a water source. What you... There we go. But yeah, as you can see, no dragonfly. It's kind of just disappeared. I think I can check the progress I mean, on the cow. So we need a saddle for that. I don't actually know if we have a saddle. I'll have a look. Oh, we do. Look here. Oh my god. Two Spinosaurus. Confusosaurus. Not bad. One was bad enough. Damn. Yeah. I made 3 extinct plants. This is one of them. Ancient fern spore. So like the dinosaurs can eat these, I'm pretty sure. I think they only can be placed next to like trees from what I've seen. But yeah, I really like these two as well. Time to meet Phil, by the way. This is Phil. He's a paleontologist. I've been buying stuff from him. He also gives you a book, bone armor, permafrost, Phaeosaurus flesh, chicken essence. I have been buying quite a bit of that from him. For a good reason, which you might have already seen. Let me just bring this with me ready. I've got to say, most of these guys are fully grown. The Gyriosaurs, I've started breeding. I mean, look how many there is. Here's a Dippy. I've been using chicken essence on him. They grow him. And I've got to say, he's huge. The Stegosaurs are alright. They're nowhere near fully grown. They'll be like triple this, maybe. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 babies. So, might have to do some population control. Might have to release some dinosaurs into the wild eventually. But you know, I find that sounds pretty cool. Just seen some randomly walking about. I'm never releasing that guy. Because he'd like eat all the forest. Proceeds to show no forest. Eat all that. But yeah, I had to put doors here in case zombies tried to eat Phil. Sorry, Phil. May as well place more of these around. Oh. Kinda ruined that one, don't I? Don't mind me. Let me check on our cow. 57%. Takes a bit longer this than the eggs, doesn't it? Speaking of eggs, let's go check on the other one. There we go. You know what? You are so loud. What even are you? See, here's the deal. If the other Confusosaurus is a male, I'm releasing them. Trust me, it'll be for the greater good. Just think about it. If I release multiple of these birds, they can breed in the wild, and then there'll be tons. Can I open the 2 new ones, or a male and female, so I can keep the original. But you know, let's have a look at. Let's see. I'll probably make the other 2 quaggas off screen, to be honest. I think next time we should probably make compies. Though I do see a good idea here, a good habitat. A Gallimimus, Parasaurs and Triceratops. I think that could be a good combination. We'd get 3 species done again. No question is where we'd put them. I'll finish the roof off screen, by the way. You know, I'm looking forward to making our first large carnivore. Also, we're going to expand this habitat a bit more, I'd say. Stegosaur, no, Triceratops, Parasaur and Gallimimus. I think that'd be good over there. What are you looking at? Then, Allosaurus. I think sounds like a fun addition next. See, I'm pretty sure they can break most blocks, so we need to do like metal on that. But yeah, I could see this area over there being an allosaur habitat. You know, I've got to say, park's coming together quite well. But yeah, I think, you know, let's do Allosaurus next. Nice, fun episode for next time. Sorry. I have no building blocks on me right now. You know, thank you, cow, for not leaving. You had a really good chance to escape though. Hopefully this is light enough so mobs don't spawn. I think it is. But it's not that. There we go. Sorry, buddy. There's our quagga. It's very tall for a baby. That's just got two then. Well, eventually two. Yeah, I think that went well actually. For a second I thought that was Spinosaurus. You know, let's get these guys in order. So Compy, let's put Raptor down there. Galley, Para, Trike. No, I think, let me find. Allosaurus. We do another herbivore habitat. Compies we could fit in with some other dinosaur episode. We could do City Patty and that in the same episode. So we do desert habitat for him or her. Dilo. Yeah, I don't really know what's a pack you'll put there. Dilophosaurus, maybe next. After that. Pteranodon's gonna be a pain to do. Same with Ichthyosaur. I can see us doing Raptor after that. Spino, T-Rex. I could see us. Yeah. There we go. Let's go to sleep. Yeah, sorry about no episode on Wednesday. I was pretty busy, you know. I need to go get a chicken real quick. These ferns. Not everyone. What? You dare try. Good day. I forgot to replant the potatoes. Brilliant. Well, I think I have spare, to be honest. Like, cook this. Oh, plenty. Let's go do this. I'm hearing stuff. Cuckoo. Looking forward to getting full diamond. I just haven't found any diamonds since. Yeah, this is how you make chicken essence. In case you wanted to know. There we go. But yeah, let's release these birds. Oh god. My ears, please. Oh god. Male. Female, perfect. Right. How do I command you? A stick. Perfect. Eh. Oh god. Where's... oh, there we go. Where's the other one? Right. Go. Follow me, guys. Oh. Cheerio. See, some of you would be thinking... I think I was gonna say... Some of you be thinking... Why did you do that? And to that I say... Why not? You know, I'll be honest. I don't know if we're gonna see those guys again. Cow's nearly done. Yeah, guys. I think we did ourselves a favour, though. You're free to wander. Well, now we know there are 2 wild Confuciusauruses in our world. Hopefully, they're able to survive. I don't know if they will. No, wait, no, they eat plants, they're fine. So there's 2 wild ones. Somewhere. Don't know what to do now. I think that's kind of us. What about a shorter episode than usual? But yeah, I have no clue where they went. You'd think you'd hear them, but no. Gone forever, I'm afraid. Do you eat this? There you go. Who are you mooing at? Well, we'll let this guy come into the world. Then we'll just end today's video. Alright. So we've got a wee group of quaggas. Again, because we have 4, I might release 2. I don't like, there's weird noises coming out of the sky. But yeah. If you guys have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more, leave a comment on what you thought, and yeah, have a nice rest of your days. Bye bye.